Hello guys, thanks for clicking my video. Please watch to the very end as I unleash my creativity with this amazing woolen flower craft idea using just a fork. Wrap the wool around on the fork for 30 times. Attach needle at the extension of the wool and use it to wrap firmly the middle of the woolen design on the fork twice. Attach 3 beads on the design, then sew to secure. Now pull the woolen design out from the fork. Make the design 5 pieces and join them together. Please guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. At this point, sew in a medium-sized bead at the middle to make the flower even more beautiful. I trust you all will find this tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching. See you all soon.